What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of To the Lab. Today, a little Harley bean. Today, our little Harley bean is going to be doing a cheese taste test. And we're going to prove which is the best cheese. So let's take it to the lab. Said yes. It's safe to say that the bean loves cheese. So what we're gonna do now is gonna place every single piece of cheese we have on the table, and then have Harley wait and then let her go and see which one she picks first. So let's do it. Go! I think Pepper Jack is the winner, but I don't know if that's just because it was on the edge and it was the closest.
How much do I bet she's just gonna eat this whole line?
I bet she will just go down the line.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, she left one alone. She left the mild cheddar alone.
What?
Oh, wow. Oh, wait. Oh, leaves the Gouda.
Gouda's not Gouda. That's not Gouda?
Not good enough.
Was it not Gouda enough for you? That wasn't Gouda enough?
Was that the pepper jack on the end?
Yeah, that was Pepper Jack, and she loved it. Harley, look.
You don't want any more of them?
For real? You don't want any more? Wow.
She has had a lot of cheese.
The lab has tested it, and she has said that Pepper Jack is the winner. All right, fam, I think we're going to leave it at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. She did go after... Oh, she's going down the line now. She's... going down the line?
After mommy finished.
After I literally finish, all of a sudden she's...
Okay.
No more?
No more?
You like any of them?
So she ate, this is the American on the end, and this one was the Swiss, I think? No.
I can't remember off the top of my head. I'll have to put it in the captions in the video, because I can't remember just thinking about it right now, but... Yeah.
Well, she got second place.
Second place? Harley, I'm kind of surprised because the
cheese.
American is like legit usually her favorite.
Oh, there's Colby.
Colby.
Oh, she keeps licking it. There you go.
She'll eat anything if you hand feed it to her. It's when...
She's not very good at picking it up off tables
not very
and
good
stuff.
At...
Okay, you got a first, second, and third. Pepper Jack first, American, then Colby.
Good job, Harley.
Good choice, Harley.
Well, let's say we took it to this little labby, and we got our winners. We're gonna leave it at that, fam. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next Monday on another To the Lab.